What's going on, Reshoevn8r Nation? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Today, I am gonna be cleaning up my personal pair of Jordan 4 military blues that released back in 2012. Now, I used to wear these riding my motorcycle and everything, so as you can see, they're looking really, really bad, but I'm excited to clean them up using Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. Now, as always, for before and after purposes, we're gonna set the left shoe off to the side and clean the right one. Now, the first step, guys, is to grab our adjustable shoe tree. Now, these are a size 12, so I'm gonna take it up to about, I would say, probably the second to the last hole here. Insert it into the shoe. And then remove the laces. All right, now that the laces are removed, we're gonna go ahead and grab our bottle of solution and pour a couple squirts into our bowl. And I'm gonna start the cleaning with the soft bristle brush. All right, I am done using the soft brush on the entire uppers, and as you can see, it did a really good job. However, there are still a few deep scuffs on the toe box here, and the stitching is looking really dingy. I might actually have to put these in the wash now that I'm looking at it. So just be aware that anytime you do a cleaning, you start with that pre-treatment like the Essential Kit, and if it does look like it needs to go in the wash, then you are pretty good to put these in the wash. So more than likely I'll do that. But now I'm gonna take the medium brush, dip it into our bowl of solution and water mixture, try to get these deeper stains, hit up the midsole, and then I'll hit up the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. Boy, am I excited to be cleaning my shoes, boy. There you go, guys. I am done hitting up the entire uppers and outsole of the shoe. Now, as I mentioned, I am gonna be putting it in the washer. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now, and then I'll see you guys in a few hours to go ahead and show you how to deoxidize this midsole. Let's go. All right, guys, I am back. It's actually been 24 hours since I cleaned the shoe, and go ahead and check it out. You already know the laundry system did its thing. Now, it's not in bad condition for being almost a 10-year-old shoe. One thing I do notice is the midsole is starting to peel a little bit, especially on this side, but maybe I can plug it to Vic Almighty after this and he could do a midsole repaint. Right, Vic?
Nah.
I guess not. But now, guys, the next step is to remove the oxidation on the midsole. As you can see, it's very yellow, and we now have a new product called Sole Revive that will help reduce oxidation. So if you've never used this, thankfully, we've included a QR code on the bottle itself. You scan it with your phone and it gives you instructions step by step by yours truly on how to apply it properly. But let's go ahead and move on. So you ready for this? So all you gotta do, guys, is make sure you have a pair of gloves. I highly recommend getting a mat so you don't get your table dirty. And for those who like extra precaution, just wear some goggles or, you know, some glasses. But gloves, mandatory, because if you don't, you can get some skin burn. Now, it's not too crazy. You can go ahead and wash it off with some warm water and some soap, but you definitely don't want it. It just looks weird on your hands. So now that the shoe is all clean, guys, and the surface area is all good, we're gonna grab our bottle of Sole Revive, pop the lid, and just apply. Of course, you're gonna need a paintbrush.
Sorry.
Bless you. Now, when applying Sole Revive, you wanna make sure you don't get it on any other areas that you're not trying to deoxidize. Now, this mainly works for like rubber outsoles and midsoles, so you definitely don't wanna get it on the uppers, like on the nubuck here, or on the painted midsole. It can cause some damage, so just be very careful. Like, take it up to the edge is fine. Just be gentle with it. And if you do manage to get on the uppers or on an area that you're not trying to deoxidize, then just grab a microfiber towel and wipe it off as soon as possible. I am done applying Sole Revive to the entire midsole. Go ahead and take a look. I was nice and careful to make sure none ended up on the uppers or on the midsole paint. Now I was debating on doing the outsole, but for the purpose of this video, I want to. Personally, since it is mine, I really don't care. I'm gonna wear it regardless. But as you can see, the outsole is yellow as well. So I'm gonna apply it real quickly and then we'll move on to the next step. There you go, guys. Sole Revive is applied on the midsole and on the outsole. Now it's time to grab Vic Almighty's handy dandy shrink wrap here. So all you gotta do is pull a pretty good length out. What would you say, Victor? Like 3 inches each way?
I like for it to wrap around the whole shoe, just so when you put it in the indoor setup and if it has a fan, it doesn't like fly off.
All right, so he likes to wrap around the whole shoe. To me, I'm cool with a few inches around on each side. There you go, the shoe is all wrapped. Now let's go put this in the light box. All right, Reshoevn8r, I am back after letting the shoes cook in our light box for 2 days. Go ahead and check out these results. Now, earlier in the video, I did mention I was gonna use the essential kit. However, because these needed to go in the wash, I used the signature kit and I love the results that I got. Now, just to recap, I used the soft brush on the entire uppers, went ahead and hit the midsole with the medium brush, and of course, took care of the outsole with the stiff brush. Now, after that, we did notice that the midsole and outsole was looking very yellow, which you can go ahead and see from this left shoe right here. So I went ahead and used our brand new product, Sole Revive. Now you can go ahead and pick this up at Reshoevn8r.com and use my promo code that is in the description below. But let me know you guys' thoughts on this cleaning, guys. Did I do an amazing job? Or is it just a okay job? Let me know you guys' thoughts. And should Jordan Brand bring back the Military 4? I think so. Now I have seen, rumors of Off-White releasing an Off-White Military 4 lookalike. However, there's no confirmation on that, but I am excited if they do release that colorway. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. If you liked it, hit me with that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.